Hey there, good morning. It's Emil Veltre, the real estate pharmacist from Clearwater Beach in Belleair Beach at my listing at 3100 Gulf Boulevard, Unit 132. It's on the third floor, the top floor of a three-story building. It's a two-bedroom, one-bath condo, 1,065 square feet. And although the building is Gulf front, the unit is not. However, you do have views of the Intracoastal Waterway, and you can have a nice cup of coffee on your outdoor balcony watching the sunrise and views of the Intracoastal. You can see that boat zipping across the waterway during the day. Anyway, stop by, check it out. I have my open house today from 12 to 2, and you can hear the echoes in here, so this unit really needs your tender loving care and your furniture. Priced at $324,747, you can make it your own slice of paradise. Stop by, check it out, or give me a call, 727-667-5592, and I can answer any questions. This is Emil Veltre, signing off. Bye now.